Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beading. I'm going to make some interchangeable earring dangles on earring backs. So I'm going to use these ear nuts, earring backs, and I'm going to attach a charm to the earring back. And in this particular case, I'm going to attach two 4mm jump rings to that lovely candy cane charm. Then I'm going to add a third jump ring to the two that I've already used, and that one will be the one that I will attach to the earring back. Now you'll need to be mindful of how that earring charm will face. So you want it to face forward. So you'll need to make sure that however the earring back goes on to the ear post, that it will face forward like that. So this particular one does have an orientation concern. This one does not. So this one can face in any direction. This is a Zola Element acetate bar drop. And I love these. They're lightweight. They're perfect for earrings. I'm going to attach a larger jump ring in this case, and I'm going to attach those directly to the earring back because they don't have a specific orientation. These Zola elements, which are really cool, do want to face forward. So you'll want to do what I did in the first case, put a jump ring on, then attach another jump ring to use to attach to your earring back. These are fun as well. You can use metal charms. You can use any kind of charm to do this little earring hack. And now I've got all these fun little dangles that can be attached to a post earring. So I've got my little collection here. I can't wait to create the earring post that we're going to attach these to. So these earring findings have glue-on pads, and I've got some small flat backs in pearl and in a crystal. And I'm going to use E6000 and put those onto my little flat earring backs with a little bit of a toothpick. So I'm just using a little bit of glue and very carefully placing my cabochon onto the backs of those. You could use larger cabochons to cover up the entire finding if you like, but I kind of like the look of the metal surrounding those cabochons. So I'm putting on my glue, and that's what they'll look like. I'm going to let them dry by sticking them into a piece of styrofoam, and I'm going to let those dry for at least 12 hours just to make sure that they're good and dry and secure. I think they're so cute, really fun. So I've got those, and I've also got these crystals, and now I'm going to attach my dangles. And oh my gosh, that looks so much fun. You can do so many different things with this technique. It's just cute and fun and interesting. And look at that acetate with the crystals, so cool. That little pearly flat back is really fun. You can make all of these fun earrings, and all of the pieces and parts are available at beadaholic.com. Thank you so much for watching.